Today's topic is measurement of national income by income method. What is income method? In this method, national income is estimation in terms of factor payments to the factors of production during an accounting year. Some total of factor incomes generated that is within the domestic territory of the economy. What are factor incomes? A factor income refers to income earned by a person as a reward for rendering his factor services. Factor services means land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And services paid against this is rent, interest, wages and profit. But transfer incomes refers to the income earned by a person without any contribution to the flow of goods and services. Classification of factor income. We classify the factor income in three aspects. First one is the compensation of employees. Compensation of employees includes wages and salaries in cash, means in monetary terms. Payment in kind means other than monetary terms, payment made, suppose accommodation, free ration facilities, free medical facilities. This is payment in kind. Employer contribution to social security. The security which is given by the employer to the employees means provident fund for the insurance is given by the employer for the employee, and pension to the retirement. Next classification is operating surplus. It refers to the income from property and income from entrepreneurship. Income from property includes rent, interest and royalty. Rent paid for the use of land, interest paid for the use of capital and royalty paid for the use of resources inside the land as minerals. Income from entrepreneurship includes profit. Profit is having different parts, that is dividend, corporation tax, undistributed profits. Dividend means parts of the shareholders. Corporation tax means tax on the profits. And undistributed profits means retained profits which are kept with the entrepreneur. Classification of factor income. Third classification is mixed income of self-employed persons. It refers to the income of unincorporated enterprises. These are the income of self-employed persons using their own resources. These entrepreneurs or these self-employed persons do not prepare any balance sheet, do not keep the record of profit and loss, and they cannot diversify their income in different aspects as rent, interest, wages and profits. Formula for estimating national income. Net domestic product at factor cost means domestic income. Domestic income is the sum up of compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income of self-employed persons. If we add net factor income from abroad to the net domestic product at factor cost, that is known as net national product at factor cost, that is national income. Precautions regarding the income method. What precautions we should take while calculating the income method, national income? That is, transfer income should not be included in national income because that is one-sided transfer. Income from illegal activities should not be included in national income. Income from windfall gains should not be included in a national income. Windfall gain means income from, let's say we can say income from lottery. Imputed rent of owner occupied houses should be included in the national income. Owner occupied houses means the persons who are living in their own houses. The imputed rent means estimated value. estimated value of these houses, these rent is included in national income. That's all. Thank you.